For about 3 days.
Can you put your toe down, or are you nervous? Or both?
Squeeze my
Like
hand.
that?
Squeeze my
Yep,
hand.
that's good. We're gonna go ahead right there, Gummy Jean.
Yes, he's here.
Little
Should
stick.
you feel a little numb?
Don't scream.
You can scream a little bit.
Just breathe.
Just don't scare the other
normal.
patients.
She's really good. Wow.
Doing awesome.
Amazing.
Okay, other side. Right there.
You feel that cold?
Little stick. Good.
Let's give me the lighter cane.
We'll see if we can't get this taken care of for you. So we're gonna test it first.
Okay. You need me to move my foot a little bit.
Actually, just pick a spot that's comfortable for you and I'll work around you.
Okay, right here.
That's good for you?
Yes.
I'm coming around, Mom.
Okay.
There we go.
Want me to move?
I think you're fine. It should be nice and numb right there. And it is. Oh yeah, there's a lot of nail. And look, there's pus coming out right there. Pus and some blood.
You already cut it?
No, not yet, but you got a stream of pus coming out right there. Did you see that, Mom? Look at that pus coming out.
I can't see it.
Yeah, you don't want to look. It's no fun.
Snapchat it.
What?
Snapchat it.
No.
Yeah, so you had a paronychium here that
Are you okay, Mom?
just drained.
I haven't seen it. I just hear it.
Gummy Jean, if I could just have that nail tool. It looks like, you know, they didn't do a terrible job. If they hadn't gotten this
You need the
infected.
clipper?
Yeah. This white ring here. So it's a lot smaller. It's just that the nail. Let's see, we got the. Yeah. See how it does go in there. Got to clip that right there. And a hemostat, please. Gummy Jean is on the move. She's ready to get done, right?
On drive.
And that part right there would have continued to give you trouble, that part that was in there deep. And all of this is just redundant tissue. Now you have, I mean, I barely took anything out. It looks like you've got this gaping hole, but that all will heal just fine. So we're ready to do a dressing on this.
Sure.
This should go ahead and heal just fine now. I need you not to put any more ointment on this, okay?
Okay.
Very important that you keep this dry so that it can heal, okay? Little piece right there, I want to get that. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Okay, Gummy Jean, she's all yours for a dressing.
All right.
Thanks. Good job, White Rain.
I am here to tell you about Meta7. Meta7 combines 7 vital nutrients that boost your metabolism. These essential nutrients boost your energy level and may even help you lose weight. The goal of Meta7 is to help you activate your life. So if you are feeling a bit sluggish and want your energy back, try Meta7 today.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.